Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oysters at home. First, ensure you select only fresh oysters with tightly closed shells. Discard any that are open. Next, scrub their shells thoroughly under cold, running water, removing any dirt or grit. Have your shucking knife, a sturdy kitchen towel, and cut-resistant gloves ready to make the process safe and smooth. This initial cleaning step is crucial for both hygiene and taste. Now let us master the shucking technique. Hold the oyster firmly with your towel, flat side up, and locate the hinge. Carefully insert your shucking knife into the hinge with gentle pressure, twisting until the shell pops open. Once open, run the knife along the top shell to detach the oyster, then slide it beneath the oyster to free it from the bottom shell, making sure to retain all the delicious liquor for maximum flavor. This takes a little practice. For perfectly steamed oysters, you will need a large pot with a steamer basket. Add about 1 inch of water to the pot, ensuring it does not touch the oysters in the basket. Bring the water to a boil, then add your prepared oysters. Cover the pot and steam them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, or until their shells begin to slightly open. Serve immediately with a fresh lemon wedge or your favorite mignonette for a delightful, simple dish. If you prefer a quicker, richer flavor, broiling is an excellent option. Arrange your shucked oysters, still in their bottom shells, on a sturdy baking sheet. Top each one with a small dollop of garlic butter, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and a pinch of fresh parsley. Place them under a preheated broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the edges curl slightly and the toppings achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Watch them closely to prevent overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.